How to find LinkedIn profile ID. If any day you are using LinkedIn in your mobile device and you want to search profile ID in LinkedIn, just follow the following steps. First of all, go to the search icon on your mobile device and search LinkedIn out there. After you search LinkedIn out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the profile section of your LinkedIn, which is on the top left. After that, you have to tap on that and you can see the interface of your profile section. Now you have to go to the three lines or the three dots here and then you have to go to the option of share profile via. After that, you can see the option of copy the URL. And now you can copy the URL and you can send this to any of the person. You can send it in the Facebook, the Snapchat, Messenger, or your Drive, or WhatsApp, Instagram, or any of the apps. And this way, when the person would click on the URL, your very LinkedIn will be opened. Now, if you like to search any of your friends in the LinkedIn, then you have to go to the option of search. For example, I wanted to search Smriti Awasthi here. And here you have to search the very friend that you would like to search. And you need to tap on the account of the very friend that you are searching, and you need to tap on the account like this, and this way you can also find the account of your friend which you want to search in the very LinkedIn. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.